So you see that dot? It's next to the moon now.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's like a little red.
Yeah, it's gonna get really bright. You're gonna see it's getting really bright. So you can see it's really moving.
Can't you get the telescope from that?
Can't really, no. So that is the International Space Station. So right now there are 7 astronauts on there, and there's so many astronauts that they actually don't have enough sleeping bags. One of them has to sleep in a space capsule in order to accommodate them all. But they get, yeah, well, the stowaway is actually called a 0G indicator that tells them when they are in free float around the Earth.
I was moving pretty fast, right?
Yep, really fast. So 17,500, and it's only going to get brighter. It's going to get way brighter than Jupiter.
Where are they going?
So it circles the Earth over and over and over 16 times a day.
Wow.
No, it circles the Earth. So as the Earth spins, it covers basically every single.
Where does it come back down to?
Oh, it's up there constantly. It doesn't come down. Yeah, so that's the International Space Station. That's what's built up in space for people to live in. Yeah.
Okay, it's time for it.
The rockets come back down. Yeah.
Space station? Yeah.
Yeah, it's the one moving. Right there.
So see how bright that's getting? You see do you see that bright dot in the sky behind you? Yep. So that you're pointing at is Mars up there behind me. But behind you is where astronauts live.
Astronauts are in there, baby.
There's 7 astronauts up there.
7 astronauts. And it circles the Earth 16 times a day. Hey, you already have blue. Sit on the side. Hey, sit at the side. Look at the boat. Boat.
Look, you never, you'll see any
The
lights
boat.
coming.
Right. That's the one you're always like,
Hey,
what
come
is
on.
that?
The boat. The boat.
That's the thing you're always
The
like,
boat.
That was a UFO.
And as it gets closer to this side, it's going to start fading out of the Earth's into the Earth's shadow. So it's going to start getting dim again. But tomorrow it will be bright the entire time it's out.
hey, mister, look at that boat.
See what's flying by during the day?
Yep, it's always circling the Earth, so you can see it all the time. It's just it has to be within like an hour and a half or 2 hours of
You're
sunset.
always going to see it in this lineup?
It changes, so it's
Right.
It's moving around over there.
yep. That's probably another satellite. That's definitely moving. I don't know what satellite that is, but it's definitely moving.
Okay, when I was a kid, I looked into a telescope once, and I saw this thing that was going like this. It looked like a star, but when you looked at it, it was going like this.
It was yep. So some satellites are actually tumbling. So
Really?
they'll
So I
literally
was
be
looking at a
whipping
tumbling
around.
satellite.
Yeah, they'll like be flaring up and stuff.
Wow.
And now it's getting dim again. So
Oh, isn't that crazy?
yeah, and now it's almost about to be gone.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, was that?